Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you something I accidentally discovered while playing around with the 5th Tibetan Rite. Matter of fact, I'm going to call this Tibetan Rite 5.5. So I was doing the Tibetan Rite number 5, which looks like this. So there's a video about this, by the way. Anyway, that's Tibetan Rite number 5, and I was going to do that, and I was like, you know what though, I want to do a little more. And you know, I love Hindu push-ups, and I'm like, it is so much like the Tibetan Rite, kinda, because you end up and you start in the same spot, right? So a Hindu push-up would be here. And then I was like, yeah, but you do those all the time, and I just want to feel good, but I want a little more than the 5th Rite. But I wouldn't mind a push-up. So then I was like, what if, and I know you've probably done this. This is no big deal to you, but it brought joy to me because I liked the way it felt, and it allowed me to try to finesse and feel good inside of the push-up. You know, you're like, what are you talking about, Tim? So I went from here and just lowered myself down to here and back up. And I know this is no big deal at all, but there's just something that feels nice about just this, trying to do a really smooth lower and come back into that down dog position. And then I was just playing around with how smooth could I just lower down. Again, it's no big deal, but it feels kind of good, and it feels good to feel good. But the movement itself, it's nice. I mean, you still get to work on your shoulder flexibility when you go into that down dog, but then you get to work on your control and your strength, lowering down into that push-up and coming back up, trying to be as smooth as possible. So I'm calling it Tibetan 5.5, Tibetan Rite 5.5. Yeah, definitely 5.5. But I know, no big deal unless you enjoy it. And if you like that, it's a pretty good deal. Anyway, give that a shot. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.